So the Commonwealth just provided the court with information that causes me grave concern. The implications of that information may have profound effects on this defense and defense counsel. So for that reason, I'm going to suspend today so that when we meet again to address these issues, all affected will be appropriately prepared.
But these materials are the very reason why the defense should not be able to call witnesses without giving full discovery. That's not trial by ambush. That's getting duped.
So essentially what happened is that Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan is asking the judge to exclude 2 expert witnesses from Karen Read's second trial. Those 2 witnesses are the ARCA experts. You might remember them because they testified in Read's first trial. And they testified that they were hired by an independent third party, which we know was the federal government as part of a federal investigation. So essentially what Special Prosecutor Brennan told the judge is that it was represented in the first trial that they were hired by an independent third party and testified about John O'Keefe's injuries independently, but they testified as part of the defense's case because they testified that they did not believe John O'Keefe was hit by a car. So what Special Prosecutor Brennan first said is that he received just recently some email correspondence between the defense and ARCA experts, which he says was sent to him by the federal government. Then later he corrects himself and says, no, this was actually sent to me by the defense, not the federal government. And essentially Special Prosecutor Brennan says that the ARCA experts testified allegedly as a neutral third party with no preparation with the defense. Then he reads these emails which appear to show defense attorneys essentially coordinating testimony with the ARCA experts ahead of them testifying at Karen Read's first trial. And not only that, he then finishes reading the emails with ARCA allegedly sending a bill to the defense for over $23,000, implying that ARCA actually billed the defense and the defense may have paid for their testimony. He did not specify whether or not the defense paid for the testimony, and I asked defense attorney Alan Jackson outside of court whether they paid, and he said of course not. They did not pay for ARCA experts to testify. However, this information seemed to fluster Judge Cannone so much that she took a 30-minute recess, and then when she came back, she suspended the rest of the hearing, even though it was supposed to go the rest of the day. So this issue is going to be argued instead at a hearing next week, and she says she wants everybody to be adequately prepared.